Boys and girls, another rectangular brown box teaching you different animals and their environment. Let's see what this is. What is this, boys and girls? Is that a dinosaur? Oh, he moves. Look at this. Oh, T-Rex has got the big head. Boys and girls, look at this. Even his mouth opens. This is a flying prehistoric animal. And then we have the T-Rex there. Let's see if his mouth opens. Oh! I'm really excited about looking inside this box to see these animals. This is called, it's called a Dinosaurs Busy Book. Oh, here's our dinosaurs. Okay, boys and girls, so I'm going to take this off, one of these little Velcro things, put it on the green. And then I get the other Velcro. I'm going to put on the back of this one here on the green. And then I'm going to punch this out and see if it fits. We're matching. This is called matching. And it does. Perfect. Woohoo! It's perfect. This is awesome, boys and girls. We're going to match. And this is the dinosaur that has a name that starts with an A. So I'm going to have, boys and girls, I'm going to take you through the different dinosaur names from A to Z. A is for Ankylosaurus. B is for Brachiosaurus. C is for Carnotaurus. D is for Diplodocus. E is for Elasmosaurus. F is for Ferganocephaly. G is for Giganotosaurus. H is for Hapscopteryx. I is for Isosaurus. J is for Giraffinator. K is for Kakuru. L is for Luxovisaurus. M is for Mosasaurus. N is for Nosaurus. O is for Orlorotitan. P is for Parasaurolophus. Q is for Quetzalcoatlus. R is for Rebacosaurus. S is for Stegosaurus. T is for T-Rex. U is for Udanoceratops. V is for Velociraptor. W is for Welgeosuchus. X is for Xenotarsosaurus. Y is for Yamaceratops. Z is for Zunoceratops. 1 dinosaur, 2 dinosaurs, 3 dinosaurs. 3, 4, and 5. Next page, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boys and girls, look at this page. You are going to be learning how to write your numbers. There's number 1, and then you have number 2. Just follow the line. What I like about this, you get to practice. You get to practice writing over and over again because you can erase what you have written. And over here, use your marker to practice writing the capital letters of the alphabet, A through Z. It's very hard for me to do it like this unless it's down flat. I'm just giving you an eye view of what you're going to be doing. So, that is it. Awesome! A Dinosaurs Busy Book.